Which of the following organization deals with कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम ऑन एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा संगठन शैक्षिक योजना पर क्षमता निर्माण कार्यक्रम से संबंधित है? What is its answer? Its answer is D, NUEPA. Moving toward the next question. Imagine you are working in educational institution where people are of equal status. Which of the following methods of communication is best suited and normally employed in such a context? So horizontal communication is the communication between a different kind of status. Then corporate communication is towards the corporate people. Cross communication deals with the people with different background and different region. And vertical communication is communication where people are of not equal status. So here correct answer is A, that is horizontal communication. Horizontal communication deals with the people with the same status. So option 1 is correct. 22. Which of the following is not a renewable natural source? So clean air is natural source, fresh air is fresh water is natural source, fertile soil is natural source, only the salt is not a renewable natural source. Which of the following is not natural source? That is salt. Here consider the following assertion A and reason are. People population controls measures do not necessarily help in checking environmental degradation. And reason, the relationship between population growth and environmental degradation rather complex. So both A and both are true, and R is correct explanation of A. So answer A 1 is correct. A classroom is a teaching space which has a smart portion with a touch panel control system, PC, laptop connection and DVD, VCR player, document camera and specialized software, and projector and screen. So option 4 is correct. All 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Warrior related to sword, carpenter related to saw, farmer related to plow, and author related to pen. Find the next terms in series. So 2, 5, 10, 15, 17, 26 and 37. There is a difference between 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So next will be 37 plus 13 is 50. Correct answer is 50. In certain code, selection is coded as QCJCARGML. The code of AGVIERICAN will be. So I will tell you, write down ABCD from A to Z, and again you start writing from Z to A backward direction, and you will easily find out the relation between this. Here the correct answer is A, that is 1. YH TGCPGAYLQ. Every communicator has to experience anticipatory excitement. This is the correct answer here. Sampling cases means sampling of people, newspaper, television program, etc. So correct answer is 4. Which of the following are central universities? So Pondicherry University, Vishwa Bharati, HNB, Garhwal University. These are the central universities, and Kurukshetra University is from Delhi and it is a North Central University. Bibliography given in research helps those interested in further research. Answer 1 is correct. Which of the following is plagiarism checking website? So Turnitin everybody knows. Then Grammarly also checking the plagiarism, and it is a free only. Along with grammar it will check plagiarism also. ResearchGate is related to your research work. There will be all detailed given on that website. And journal.elsewhere.com, here you can find out the different journals all over the world. So answer here 1 and 4 only correct. So D is the correct answer, that is 4. Reference serves the purpose of lending authenticity of given content. The term yellow journalism refers to sensationalism and exaggeration to attract reader and viewers. Supervisor certification on the thesis ensures that originality of work. Whatever work is done by student is done by only him. He only completed those things. That assurity is given by your supervisor, and that sign is used for ensure the originality of work. In the classroom, the teacher sent a message either as a word or image. The student are really. सो देख ये जब कोई भी टीचर पढ़ाता है तो वो टीचर एक्ट होता है एनकोडर, एंड जो सुनता है और स्टूडेंट जो सुनते हैं उसे हम बोलतेंगे डिकोडर. सो कक्षा में शिक्षक संदेश या शब्दों के रूप में संदेश भेजता है छात्र में, वास्तव में उसे डिकोडर कहते हैं. सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. Thank you for watching this video.